in this quick, 2 or 3 mark question, we are told or given that the diagram shows a right angle triangle. We've got an angle in degrees, we've got a hypotenuse length of 17 centimeters, and we've got the this h here, so the height of the triangle. What is the value of h? Well, here, because I'm given a right angle triangle, I'm going to use trigonometry, so SOHCAHTOA. So SO stands for sine of the angle is opposite over hypotenuse, cos of the angle is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan or tangent of my angle is opposite over the adjacent. That is how I remember it. So the actual formulas here I believe are given to you on this year's exam, but again, if you watch it in future years, bear in mind here that this is obviously recorded here in April 2026. So if you watch it in the future, obviously it might be different, or it might differ in other countries. So bear that in mind. So step 1, guys, is to label our sides. So this is opposite our angle, so H is our opposite. So I'm going to put OPP for opposite. This is our hypotenuse because it's directly opposite the right angle, or it's the longest side of our right angle triangle. And this length here, guys, or this side here, is called the adjacent. So adjacent. So we are given an angle. We are asked to work out the opposite and given the hypotenuse. Well, we're going to use SO. So we are going to use sine of my angle. So sine of 25 is equal to the opposite, which we're going to label H, over the hypotenuse, which is 17. I'm now going to rearrange to make H the subject. So I'm going to times by 17 on this side, but also times by 17 on this side, guys. When I do that, we have 17 lots of sine 25 is equal to small h, or little h, or h. Now if I plug this into my calculator, guys, just give me 2 seconds to do that. We're going to have 17 times sine or sin, 25, close the brackets, press equals, and I'm going to run it to 2dp, so it's going to be 7.1845. I'm going to actually write that in full, so you can see where my running here is going to be. But I'm going to run here to 2dp, or 3 sig figs in this case. So h of the height is 7.18 centimeters, to 2 decimal places to 2dp, or 3 sig figs, or 3sf, or 3 significant figures. Again, round here to what these are obviously appropriate. Again, if it doesn't specify, if you put the whole thing here or round it to 1dp or a whole number, you'll still get the answer. But in the exam, they will actually specify. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. And if it doesn't specify, then they have to allow all marks, for all roundings. But just to be safe, personally, I would always round my final answer here to 2dp, because that's what I was taught myself in the past. And that is how I teach like the bog standard rounding. But hopefully that makes sense. Thank you for watching, and have a great Sunday. Bye for now.